Philosophy and religion cautioned that the gods, or God, were far more powerful than we, jealous of their prerogatives, and quick to mete out justice for insufferable arrogance. At the same time, these disciplines had not a clue that their own teaching of how the universe is ordered was a conceit and a delusion. Philosophy and religion presented mere opinion that might be overturned by observation and experiment as certainty. This worried them not at all. That some of their deeply held beliefs might turn out to be mistakes was a possibility hardly considered. Doctrinal humility was to be practiced by others. Their own teachings were inerrant and infallible. In truth, they had better reason to be humble than they knew. Beginning with Copernicus in the middle 16th century, the issue was formally joined. The picture of the sun rather than the earth at the center of the universe was understood to be dangerous. Obligingly, many scholars were quick to assure the religious hierarchy that this newfangled hypothesis represented no serious challenge to conventional wisdom. In a kind of split-brain compromise, the sun-centered system was treated as a mere computational convenience, not an astronomical reality. That is, the Earth was really at the center of the universe, as everybody knew, but if you wished to predict where Jupiter would be on the second Tuesday of November the year after next, you were permitted to pretend that the sun was at the center. Then you could calculate away and not affront the authorities. "This has no danger in it," wrote Robert Cardinal Bellarmine, the foremost Vatican theologian in the early 17th century. "And suffices," he continued, "for the mathematicians. But to affirm that the sun is really fixed at the center of the heavens, and that the earth revolves very swiftly around the sun, is a dangerous thing," Cardinal Bellarmine went on, "not only irritating the theologians and philosophers, but injuring our holy faith and making the sacred Scripture false." "Freedom of belief is pernicious," Bellarmine wrote on another occasion. "It is nothing but the freedom to be wrong." Besides, if the Earth was going around the sun, nearby stars should seem to move against the background of more distant stars, as every 6 months we shift our perspective from one side of the Earth's orbit to the other. No such annual parallax had been found. The Copernicans argued that this was because the stars were extremely far away, maybe 1,000,000 times more distant than the Earth is from the sun. Perhaps better telescopes in future times would find an annual parallax. The geocentrists considered this a desperate attempt to save a flawed hypothesis, and ludicrous on the face of it.